Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Crosman Vantage 22 caliber nitro piston air rifle. Now, I just saw last year that this came out and I was like stoked. I just went ahead and bought it. It didn't come with a scope. I'll talk about the scope in a second. And the mount and thing, I'll talk about that. This is actually a camera mount too. But this gun goes, I think, 800 feet per second-ish. I'm not certain on it. Don't read what it says on the, website or anything. Those are, the alloy pellets and stuff, the super light stuff, and it's always random. They put it usually 100 feet per second faster than what it's supposed to be. So I think this said 900 feet per second on the website, but it's actually more closer to 800, but it still has a large quantity of impact. So with this gun, you could probably get your gray squirrel, your rabbit, your crow. You could probably push it a little bit as a trapper's gun for your raccoon and possum. But you have to be right up on them. You could probably take them with this, but I would recommend using a regular rifle powdered gun, like a 22 long rifle. But this will get the job done. So the pellets I use for this gun are Crosman 22 caliber destroyer pellets. These things I've been using for years and they're great. They work perfect for close range. Maybe the farthest you could get good accuracy is probably 30 yards with these. They say 25 yards is the best accuracy for an air gun, but I've been using air guns for almost 7 years, so I know that these can be actually quite accurate. If you practice with break barrels, I've been using them. This is almost the longest gun I've been using my whole life, is a break barrel air rifle. But these are great. They take the game down, but if you want to keep some of the certain parts of the meat, I wouldn't recommend these. I would recommend maybe a domed or a pointed pellet. The hollow points do the similarity to what this does. This pretty much just takes the animal down clean, easy, but you waste meat. But if you want to keep some meat, I wouldn't recommend these. So headshots only with these. If I'm ever going to show any hunting videos, you'll see as close to I can get as headshots of these. And I'll see this year if I can get any gray scrolls on my channel. Now, the scope is a Crosman zombie scope. It was just a scope that I had that was on this custom pump air 2240 air gun and stuff. I have the thing, but I modified it so much to be more as a target gun now versus a hunter. I can still probably hunt with it, but I recommend using a little more powerful. But it's a 4x32 scope. It has no twist piece on it or anything. If I can find it on their website, I'll link it straight in the description. I'll link this gun where I got it on Amazon too. And this mount is actually for my SJ4000. You can even use it for a GoPro. It's just like a bicycle handle mount. That's just, you can just buy it right off of Amazon or something. You could even, if you wanted to get GoPros one, you could put that on there. This duct tape here is because there's actually a pin in the back of here, so whenever you have shock, the whole thing will slide back. But what Crosman has done is had this little pin hole in the back, and all I did is shoved a little piece of steel bar in there and then just duct taped it on, and it keeps the scope from sliding back, and it works perfect. This does kick, so if you're shooting it, you gotta know that it's gonna kick. It kind of kicks like a 22 long rifle a little bit. I'm fine with that. I have my own 22 long rifle with some heavier bullets. But the cocking power on this is probably 30-ish pounds, so if you're kind of weaker, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're over like the age, what they say, 16 years old, and you know that you can pull down 30 pounds on this, go straight ahead and get it. It's a great gun. Target, it's pretty good. Like, you're going to see after this, the shooting of it, it's going to be probably pretty decent. And you're not going to get like the match competition, so you're not even going to get close to that with this gun, but you could probably get like several pellets, maybe like hit the same spot, and then they spread out about an inch at like 10 yards. But you could still get game. If you're hitting at least a 2.5 inch spot, you can hit a squirrel or a rabbit or a crow. With a crow, you take headshots pretty much because they're so thick. With the feathers, they'll just deflect the feathers pretty much. You want headshots pretty much. And I won't be taking that with this gun too much. I have a 177 one that's older than this that will be way better. Crosman Vantage, 22 cal, nitro piston, air rifle. Now on to the shooting.
Hey guys, I'm doing the shooting test now. Alright. Ooh. That was close. Alright. Seems like it's shooting a little bit to the right. I can fix that another time. But right now I'm just seeing what a 5-shot grouping would look like. Oh, I have to shoot 6 now because I just pulled it. Alright. One more. Because I pulled the 1 shot. Ooh. I literally got like, I think 3 in the same hole. All I need to do is maybe see if I can bring it over a little bit. Because left and right is difficult. The up and down is pretty good, but like left and right's a little difficult. What do you do? Alright. Pulled it too much over. Enough. Alright. Ooh. I'm gonna aim for that little dot to have a better aim point. The last shot on the left, bottom left. Ooh. Actually, it didn't hit where I was aiming, but it hit like bullseye. Now I aim for the bullseye. I don't know where that hit, but like, probably show on camera. I'll show the damage of the log after. Alright. Alright, here's the damage. A nice grouping right there too. The bullseye, that's nice. There's the damage. Pretty good. Look at that. That's cool. I'll shoot a can in a second. Alright, sweet. Alright, I'm gonna shoot the can. I might do it in slow-mo after this. Oh. Sweet. Alright guys, here's the damage. There's just the out. There's the in. So I entered, exited. Cool.